Hello everyone, today we'll be introducing an overhaul to the contacts page, or well, pages, you'll see soon enough, as well as a lot of other user requested features. Let's start with the new default view of the contacts page. It's designed to provide a more compact view of whichever details you're interested in, and it's fully customizable, so you can actually choose which fields to display. You can also pin them to the left side, and you can fully customize it with presets. One preset, in fact, that comes in handy is a full sequence metrics preset. This includes specific new metric analytics introduced with this update. Like, for example, when they were last messaged, when they opened the email, clicked links, replied, first or last engagement, and many other analytic details you can add to the overall grid view. Now, each of them would come with a timestamp and also the actual hour and minute. But just to showcase it, here's a sample and anyways of just like report contacts created for analytic samples, and just like this you can see how the numbers all would display. Each would come with their timestamps and the associated date, so you can easily understand at scale who's engaging with the emails, who you should you follow up with, who should you maybe give a call, and so alongside this we've also introduced a card view, which is more similar to the original layout. Both of these layouts of course come with bulk selection options, so you can easily drag and drop and make selections. And both of them can also be expanded on the sidebar if you want to learn more details about the contact. The bulk selections then allow us to very easily and effectively run operations in bulk, be it either just database management or actually running campaigns for our outreach. We've also overhauled the Kanban or tabular view, which features a full screen view of the stages of the pipeline, from which you can easily drag and drop contacts to assign them to various stages. Redesign aside, it also comes with a workflow note, easy access to contact info and other meeting annotations, as well as a timestamp for when they were assigned to that stage, alongside lots of other details. But contact list display modes aside, we've also included an overhauled full screen view of the contacts and a handy shortcut link to open it from this Jobin icon. So you can either click or copy the link or open in new tabs and so on. But let's actually open the tab from here. And we have a top screen featured view of the pipeline that the contact is currently in. So if I wanted to easily move them through stages, I can just assign it from here and move to other steps, for example. And that aside, the full view has primarily two new features. A strongly enhanced activity timeline. This is designed to be your single source of truth of all activity and interactions you've had with the contact. It's going to be both pipeline movements, when they were updated, messages, even annotations, and also analytics, like for example when they've opened an email. It also features an easy way to easily add these annotations, and you can also of course switch over to sending an email or a message as well. Activity tab aside, we've also had a large overhaul with custom fields, now with their own control panel, and you can also create new fields with different types, for example free text, number, date, lists, or a custom field with a range value. These custom fields can also be filtered by. And speaking of filters, let's head back to our earlier list view. The filtered sidebar here on the left is fully customizable. So if we check out our filters, we can actually manage the sidebar, choose which filters we want to see on that sidebar that we use more often, and we can also fully custom order them if we have a specific layout we prefer. There's even more changes to come, so stay tuned, and we're always open to feedback. Many of these features included user feature requests, so if you have any feedback or a specific feature you're looking forward to, don't hesitate to let us know in the comments or join our Discord server down in the description. Bye!